This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Ubak Preston tensong usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya uberi kemi ikatanat kampo yeng haba pentip sekilat patai kubor halor ke jing ya cekmat ke jing Tohkit ya ke jing jasa penyap uraja Raghuvanshi bala kedau dan keti da ke kurim jong u ke sonam Uraj Singh Kushwaha u Vishal Singh Chauhan u Akash Rajput baru aran kurmi hak arpulai trik Jylla araja arpusan ulaong bahaki sengi banwan an sa Wanrah Tohkit sayaki Ngut ki badan jingasno bat katai ke kam penyap Nolor kita ki pesan Ngut ki badang dan ha ke judicial custody ki pulet ke Meghalaya ki badan ha indoor ki la kem yau Shillong James unong ai wa yeng u bala ahirwar u security guard bar u Lokendra Singh Tomar u drai ketika yeng ha indoor bala ri da ke sonam hadin ke jing penyap yau raja bat shwa bakan Petcha Uttar Pradesh ha ka pratrik Jylla araja arpusan.
Yes, the investigation is still on. I think you all are aware. I think you know better than me too. Because I've already requested SP concerned to update the investigation, and right now I think, as you are aware, that now the court has already granted judicial custody to all those 5 people, and now the investigation is still on. So let us wait and see. Again. Another 2 and 1 more which was just arrested. Again, the 1 more person, 3 of them will be again transferred to Shillong for the detailed investigation.
Is the Lokendra Tomar, is he the one, the third one?
Yes, he's one of them. 3 of them are there. There are 3 of them. Of course, the detail I don't have, but 3 of them. So within a few days from now, they'll be brought to Shillong for further investigation, because it is found that they are linked to this killing of late Raja.
So it goes beyond the motive of love angle.
That we are yet to come to any conclusion. Let us see from all angles. I'm not talking only for the love angle, but even beyond that. So right now I can't say anything. So let the investigation be completed, and once that is done, I think the truth will come out as it is.
Hakawai pot kalyang halor ke jing penmi jing betha ke United States of America ya ikinong song snong kategori baka Meghalaya kendai ke Jaka ke bamlong ban leit bat hap husiar bha kala penong yo sembut menteri rangba ban bo jing keli na ke United States ke yok kai pot ban pensong nong rem ya ketai ke jing betha Dangshan ke Jylla kala syak Kynnoh klem nong rem halor ke jingja syak penyap uraja Raghuvanshi bat ke ni ke jing Kynnoh ke United States of America kala penong yo bak Preston tensong ban ong baka Meghalaya kadai ke basengan na ke benta ki nong wan jengok kai perthai.
It is very unfortunate that kind of advisories issued by the government of United States of America. I don't know from where this report came in and from where did they get this report. I think it is very, very unfortunate. But let me clarify. As far as Meghalaya is concerned, let me tell you one thing, that Meghalaya is the safest place, and this is being witnessed not only by us from Meghalaya, but throughout India, not only throughout India, even throughout the world. They witness this, that Meghalaya is in fact the safest place to come and to visit and to spend their holidays.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Wanrah Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.